Welcome back to BudgetTravelerChris.com, where you got a guy carrying around a really big, loud radio down the road there. You gotta love it, hey? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yeah, you gotta love it. And here's the guy working on the lines up here. And this is a look at our neighborhood here and the little place where I'm staying, and it's located right here. And looks like they're just leaving. Hola. And this is my little suite here. So we don't have a refrigerator, so the friend up the road at El Toro's tienda is letting me keep my stuff, so I just keep it in there temporarily in my cooler. So I like to eat my fresh fruits every day. And here's my living quarters now that after Airbnb canceled my fully paid up listing that I had there, I'm sleeping on cardboard now, which is what the homeless sleep on. So I'm experiencing how the homeless make their life at home. And this is the new digs, folks. Had a really deluxe Airbnb when it comes to amenities. It had a washer and dryer and a kitchen and a big fridge with a good freezer. It actually kept the food even colder than it needed to be, but unfortunately, because they over-rented it and overpopulated it, it created some tensions within the household of having too many people. So that's what happens when you over-rent a place, get a little greedy. The quality of living goes down dramatically. But here we are, living in El Caloso now, in a friend's suite here for 5,000 pesos a month for this suite. And that works out to $500 Canadian for a suite. And it's in this neighborhood. And it's located in this house here, which actually has 6 suites. And it's owned by a fellow named Moises, who is my friend Nick's boss. All these red and white places, the white building with the red trim, right up to that bright orange one here. He doesn't own the bright orange one, but he does own this whole building that's all white right here. And it's at the base of the Mirador de la Cruz. So here we are, folks. So stay tuned for more new and exciting videos from BudgetTravelerChris.com. You never know where we'll be or who we'll see. Hey Nick, you gotta love, the musica? Hey, the musica in Mexico. And this is where we're hanging out, folks, under the back of the Mirador. And that pumping music, you'd think it was coming from a car stereo, but it's actually coming from that guy's little speaker that he had carried on his body. You gotta love it. Never know where we're gonna be or who you're gonna see on BudgetTravelerChris.com. Gotta love life in Mexico. Viva Mexico! Viva Mexico! There's my good friend Nick, who's helped find me this place here. And it's located in El Caloso. Lovely neighborhood in behind the Mirador de la Cruz, which is the big mountain lookout. And Nick is the painter here.
He's in the house in the pink.
And he's painting the rojo color on the doors and the railings. And on my door here, he's going to be painting my door red. And he also painted the one next door too, eh? Yeah, he's going to paint all this here. That's my friend Nick. Muchas gracias, Nick, for everything. We appreciate it. Yeah, good old friends in Mexico or where it's at. Otherwise, I'd be on the street after Airbnb let those horrible people cancel my paid in full, borrowed on my credit cards, leaving me with no money at all, no credit card available to get a hotel. It's basically threw me on the street, Airbnb did, after I paid in full. So if you're wanting to trust Airbnb for reliable accommodation where you feel you're safe and you won't be kicked out for some weird reasons, then I'd recommend you don't book Airbnb, folks. That's my tip of the day from budgettravelerchris.com.